So you guys remember before we placed an order, we had 1,436 followers, and we still have 1,436 followers, right? So for us to actually know if this followers has reflected, all we need to do is for us to actually refresh. How then do we refresh? You need to draw this thing down, and boom, you can see currently we have 1,743 followers, right? Which means that these followers are already coming in. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to boost Instagram followers in 2026, and all you need to do is for you to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. So the first thing we need to do is for us to come to this platform I'm going to be introducing you guys, which is boostthatin.com. The link is in the description. Just tap on the link and it will take you to the website, right? So the first thing we need to do is to create an account. So how do you create an account? You need to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, it's going to bring you to this place. Just create a username and come this place, put your email, come this place, put a password and come this place, confirm your password right here. And the next thing you need to do is you need to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it and your account is going to be created. But because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to log into my account and show you guys exactly how to do that. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account, as you can see right here. So if you want to actually right now I've logged into my account. So when you create account login, is exactly how it's going to be looking like. So for us to actually boost our Instagram follower, the first thing we need to do is for us to come to this category right here. Can you see this category? Just tap on it and scroll down and look for Instagram followers. But I like using this particular one called Instagram followers non-drop new premium. I just need to select it, then come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Just tap on it and scroll down and look for your preferable service. And I like using this particular one, the first one. So I just need to select it. So the next thing you need to do is for you to actually read description. Description is important because description is actually what describes the service. Right? Just read description properly before you proceed. And after reading description, the next thing is to come to this link right here, which is place where you post your profile link, right? So in case you don't know how to copy your profile link, let me show you guys how to do that. So let's go. So right now I'm on a page I want to actually boost, right? So what I need to do for me, if I want to copy this profile, is for me to come to this dot up here. Can you see this dot up there? I need to tap on it, and once I tap on it, I come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Just tap on it and the link is copied. But before we proceed, I want you guys to confirm that we currently have 1,436 followers right here. So it's important for you to mark it before we place an order, because we're going to come back for you to see that these followers are going to increase, right? So let's go back and paste our link right here, and the next thing we need to do is for us to actually put the amount. Quantity is the amount of followers we want, so we need to put 500 right here. And next thing I need to do right here is for us to click on the submit right here. In order to submit the order, just click on the submit, just tap on it, and boom, you can see right here they say your order has been received. Easy peasy. You don't need to do anything, just exercise patience. Your followers will start coming in from now on. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how do you do an account in this platform? Is very easy. All you need to do is for you to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Just tap on it, and by left hand side you see add fund. Can you see this add fund? Just tap on it, and once you tap on add fund, it's going to bring you to this place, the root amount. You just need to enter the amount you want to fund. If it's 1,000, if it's 1 million, whatever you want to put, just put, and come and click on this pay right here. Can you see this pay right here? Just tap on it. And once you tap on the pay, Corap is going to ask you how would you like to pay. Would you like to pay with debit card? Would you like to pay with bank? Or would you like to pay with bank transfer? If you select debit card, put your card details right here and click on pay, and your payment will go. And if you select bank transfer, just read the instruction right here and tell them, I understand the instruction, and click on this, I understand the instruction, and click on this continue. And the Corap is going to provide account number for you. You don't need to make payment to this account number. You don't need to do anything. Automatically, this payment is going to reflect your boost that in balance, right? Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform, right? So let's go back to Instagram to actually confirm if these followers have started coming in, right? So you guys remember before we placed an order, we had 1,436 followers, and we still have 1,436 followers, right? So for us to actually know if this followers has reflected, all we need to do is for us to actually refresh. How then do we refresh? You need to draw this thing down, and boom, you can see currently we have 1,743 followers, right? Which means that these followers are already coming in, and I believe if we still refresh it, it's still going to reflect more. So let's just refresh, and you can see another person has actually added. So this is exactly how it will be counting till it complete the amount of followers that you actually ordered, right? So this is exactly how to boost your Instagram followers in 2026. It's very easy. All you need to do is to come to this platform, boostthatin.com. The link is in the description. Tap on it and create an account and do exactly the same thing I did in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.